Our sprawling, highly advanced, globalized civilization feels utterly unstoppable. We confidently assume that seamless, uninterrupted global trade is an unbreakable law of nature. Yet the entire modern world is mathematically dependent on a single, terrifyingly fragile geological anomaly. A tiny 21-mile-wide crack between two violently colliding tectonic plates currently holds the absolute power to completely freeze the global economy, systematically starve modern cities, and trigger World War III in a matter of mere days. It is a trap. If this single microscopic tear in the massive ocean is violently choked shut, the comforting illusion of the modern world shatters completely. In this video, we are navigating the 21-mile trap. From the violent tectonic collision that built the bottleneck, to the funnel of ancient empires, to the terrifying modern war games that clearly prove our entire civilization is perched entirely on a knife's edge. To truly comprehend the sheer existential terror of this specific geographical location, we first have to fully respect the incomprehensible scale of the world's oceans. The vast Pacific and the sprawling Atlantic are massive, infinitely open global highways. They offer thousands of miles of completely unrestricted deep water freedom for global shipping. But look closely at the dark and closed waters of the Persian Gulf. It is absolutely not an open ocean. It is a deeply flawed geological evolutionary trap. To understand why this body of water is so incredibly dangerous, we have to travel back millions of years and witness the slow, unstoppable violence of planetary continental drift. Millions of years ago, the massive, heavy Arabian tectonic plate slowly, relentlessly drifted north and violently slammed directly into the immovable bedrock of the Eurasian plate. This brutal, agonizing, continuous geological collision violently forced the ancient Earth aggressively upward, aggressively forming the incredibly jagged, completely impassable peaks of the Zagros Mountains. And as the immense continental landmasses violently crushed together, they actively, mercilessly pinched the vast open sea shut. The crushing planetary pressure successfully closed the ocean, leaving only a microscopic, dangerously shallow, incredibly narrow 21-mile-wide tear in the Earth's crust to connect the inner Gulf to the vast outer ocean. This tiny, suffocating crack is known today as the Strait of Hormuz. Stop and deeply consider the physical reality of your own immediate surroundings right now. The refined gasoline currently sitting heavily in the fuel tank of your car, and the precisely molded plastic securely encasing the cell phone in your hand exist solely because a massive, heavy steel ship successfully managed to blindly squeeze through this ancient, jagged crack in the Earth's crust. We confidently built our incredibly complex modern civilization on the absolute unwavering assumption of free-flowing, completely unstoppable global trade. But blind, unthinking nature accidentally built a perfect, utterly inescapable bottleneck right exactly where human civilization would eventually need open, unrestricted waters the absolute most. The Earth violently forged the ultimate geographical trap in the dark stone, but long before the very first drop of crude oil was ever actively pumped from the burning desert ground, ancient kings and ruthless conquerors actively realized the terrifying mathematical truth of this tectonic crack. We are heavily conditioned by traditional history books to mistakenly believe that total global power is strictly about violently conquering massive, sprawling continents. We think of endless marching armies and vast territorial empires. But massive continents are simply far too big, far too hostile, and incredibly expensive to hold forever. True, undeniable, long-lasting empire building is absolutely not about desperately controlling the endless land. It is entirely about ruthlessly finding and dominating the geographical funnels. If you meticulously trace the bloody, violent history of absolute control in this region, a terrifying, undeniable pattern instantly emerges. Walk carefully through the brutal timelines of the ancient Persians, the heavily armed Portuguese, the master navigators of the Omani fleets, and the overwhelmingly powerful British Royal Navy. These incredible, world-spanning superpowers absolutely did not waste their precious blood and vast national treasure fighting over the endless, scorching, empty deserts of the interior. They relentlessly, violently fought over the dark water. They all independently realized the exact same brutal, unyielding reality of planetary geography. Take a moment to deeply reflect on the arbitrary borders on the modern maps you look at today. The artificial, invisible boundaries of the sovereign nations you casually read about in the global news were directly, violently carved into the sand by ruthless men who desperately, critically needed to control this exact, specific stretch of dark, churning water. The mathematical logic of the empire is chillingly simple. You absolutely do not need to successfully conquer the entire massive Middle East to forcefully control its staggering, immeasurable wealth. You only need to successfully park your heavily armed warships right in the middle of this one highly specific 21-mile gap. If you lock down this single microscopic maritime door, the entire civilized world physically must pay your extortionate toll to survive. The ultimate extortion. The narrow strait is an entirely natural, deeply permanent planetary extortion point successfully built into the very crust of the Earth. If you are deeply fascinated by how ancient, invisible geography secretly dictates modern globalized power structures, hit subscribe to successfully join the Center for Curiosity right now. The heavily armed ancient empires fought fiercely and died violently in this dark water over highly valuable spices, fine silk, and heavy gold. But when the explosive Industrial Revolution finally discovered an entirely new kind of highly combustible black blood buried deep beneath the burning sand, the geopolitical stakes violently escalated from simple regional wealth to total, absolute planetary survival. To fully grasp the terrifying existential threat currently looming over our heads, we must aggressively introduce the single greatest shift in all of human history. When human civilization violently transitioned away from gracefully sailing with the wind and burning simple wood and became totally, hopelessly addicted to aggressively extracting and burning deeply buried fossil fuels, the entire interconnected planetary system fundamentally changed forever. By sheer, blind geological chance, the hostile, scorching environment of the Persian Gulf holds the absolute greatest concentration of easily accessible, highly refined crude oil on planet Earth. The entire booming modern world is hopelessly, completely addicted to this dark chemical energy. But there is a massive, terrifying geographical catch. The vast majority of this invaluable world-powering oil is geographically permanently imprisoned. To successfully reach the massive, desperate global market, to reach the refineries and the pipelines that keep our society breathing, the oil physically, inevitably must float directly through the narrow, suffocating jaws of the strait. Look around your immediate, comfortable environment right now. Every single fresh, perishable item currently sitting safely inside your cold refrigerator was successfully delivered to your local neighborhood by a massive, roaring diesel engine that fundamentally, entirely relies on this specific, invisible tectonic bottleneck remaining peacefully open. We must explicitly deliver the most terrifying, sobering statistic in modern geopolitics. Today, roughly 20% of absolutely all the crude oil successfully consumed on the entire planet physically inevitably must pass through this dangerously shallow, jagged crack every single day. 1/5 of the absolute total energy required to keep modern, high-tech hospitals successfully running, to keep massive agricultural food trucks continuously driving, and to keep the sprawling global electrical grid completely alive is forcefully squeezed through a geological gap so incredibly narrow that massive billion-dollar supertankers have to nervously navigate essentially single file. Our entire modern existence fundamentally relies on a perfectly smooth, completely uninterrupted, endless flow of heavy steel ships through this dark water. But the physical, unyielding geography of the Strait of Hormuz makes it functionally absolutely impossible to safely bypass and terrifyingly incredibly easy to violently choke to death. We naturally comfortably assume that the massive, highly advanced naval supremacy of the modern world can successfully keep this critical artery safely open forever. We proudly look at massive nuclear-powered aircraft carriers and billion-dollar destroyer fleets, and we confidently believe we have successfully conquered the oceans. But sheer military hubris completely blinds us to the dark truth. Geography is always the ultimate, undefeated weapon. Let us deeply examine the extreme physical fragility of the Dark Channel itself. The dark waters of the Strait of Hormuz are incredibly shallow, heavily congested, and aggressively treacherous. While the physical tectonic gap is roughly 21 miles wide at its absolute narrowest point, the water is simply not deep enough for massive, heavy ships to safely operate everywhere. The actual navigable deep-water shipping lanes are strictly, terrifyingly limited to only 2 miles wide in either direction. Look closely at the highly classified, terrifying modern war games consistently run by global military strategists. The simulations confidently prove a deeply unsettling reality. It absolutely does not require a massive, heavily funded, advanced global superpower to successfully block the narrow strait. The very economic stability that strictly dictates the exact price of your daily groceries and the fundamental security of your entire financial savings account is completely helplessly at the mercy of a single cheap, highly explosive floating naval mine quietly dropping into this dark water in the dead of night. A highly coordinated, incredibly cheap deployment of simple floating naval mines directly into the narrow 2-mile shipping lane, a sudden, violent volley of low-tech anti-ship missiles expertly hidden deep inside the dark, mountainous coastal caves, or even successfully violently sinking a single massive burning supertanker directly in the primary shallow channel could physically immediately choke the entire global artery completely shut. The physical geographical margin of error in the dark water is absolute zero. There is absolutely no backup plan. There is absolutely no alternative route large enough to handle the sheer massive volume of the imprisoned oil. It is the ultimate, terrifying, asymmetric vulnerability in the modern world. And if that fragile 21-mile artery is ever successfully severed, the immediate devastating fallout wouldn't just be a localized regional war, it would violently, permanently break the comforting illusion of the entire modern world. The terrifying, completely unanswerable question that keeps global economists awake at night is simple. What actually happens to human civilization on day one of a total blockage? To fully understand the impending apocalyptic fallout, we must aggressively introduce the invisible, highly dangerous concept of the just-in-time global supply chain. We absolutely no longer securely store years of reliable backup fuel in massive safe warehouses. We treat the dark, churning ocean itself as our primary, constantly moving warehouse. We rely entirely on the absolute, constant, uninterrupted motion of massive ships. If the dark waters of the Strait of Hormuz are successfully, violently blocked by military action, The global price of crude oil wouldn't just slowly, gradually rise, it would violently, catastrophically explode upward entirely overnight. The immediate blind financial panic in the global markets would be absolutely absolute. Without cheap, reliable, easily accessible fuel, the massive interconnected global shipping network completely freezes in the water. Within a matter of mere weeks, the highly complex, delicate supply chain violently fractures and breaks apart. Massive agricultural food shipments cannot be successfully transported to heavily populated concrete cities. The sprawling, vital global energy grids begin to heavily falter and aggressively shut down. If the dark water stops flowing, the brightly lit grocery stores down your quiet street would be completely, terrifyingly empty in a matter of weeks. When the massive, invisible global logistics network finally shatters, the clean, pressurized drinking water flowing out of your kitchen faucet and the reliable, invisible electricity keeping your home safely warm will become terrifyingly, violently scarce. The 21-mile gap definitively, mathematically proves that immense, highly engineered technological complexity actively breathes extreme critical fragility. Our highly advanced, deeply interconnected, highly developed civilization is absolutely not a permanent, unbreakable stone fortress. It is a highly delicate, heavily vulnerable machine currently being held entirely hostage by a microscopic, completely unavoidable geographical glitch in the Earth's crust. We are hostages. A single, unpredictable spark violently dropped into this ancient, highly volatile tectonic crack can literally, mathematically starve the entire modern world. We successfully built a hyper-advanced, completely globalized human society, but we foolishly anchored its heavily beating, vulnerable heart directly to a tiny, incredibly dangerous tear in the dark ocean floor, which permanently forces us to aggressively look in the mirror and finally confront a chilling, unavoidable reality.
We must deeply acknowledge a terrifying fundamental shift in our daily perspective. Our sprawling, highly advanced civilization is absolutely not the unstoppable permanent force we blindly assume it is. It is, in reality, perched entirely on a razor-thin knife's edge. We are completely, hopelessly dependent on a handful of invisible, highly fragile geographical choke points that we completely take for granted every single day. But understanding this extreme physical vulnerability instantly forces open a massive, chilling unknown. If the entire interconnected global energy grid can be violently paralyzed simply by forcefully closing a single 21-mile tectonic crack in the Middle East, what other invisible, highly fragile bottlenecks are currently, secretly holding up the global internet, our massive agricultural food supply, and our delicate financial systems?